Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you video 2 of 2 from Biggestcraft. That is www.biggestcraft.com. Now, as you all know, Biggestcraft, they specialize in cross stitch. So they do cross stitch, and the newest thing is the embroidery. They added so many embroideries. Go and have a look. I will show you, I think, 7 or 8 of them soon. They are amazing. So it's cross stitch and embroidery. So everything cross stitch and embroidery you will find at Biggestcraft. They on their website, they've got, let me just make sure I'm not making a mistake. Okay, categories. They've got the beaded embroidery, they've got the brands, and they were the first ones that had the new style in their shop. So if you order something under new style, your shipping will take a bit longer, because all of those images is not in production yet. So the website's easy to navigate. There's lots of pretties, all the tools and accessories you can dream of. It's there. Go and have a look. Now, if you order from Biggestcraft and you order for over $49, you get free shipping. Isn't that just amazing? Also, if you want to save a few dollars, you type in my discount code. It's Rella2 for $2 off. And that is not all. They have a special offer going on. Sorry, tongue twister there. The special offer, so this, you don't need a code for this. You can still use my discount code. But the special offer is, if you buy for only $1, you get 15% off. If you buy for $59, you get 18% off. If you buy for $99, you get 22% off. And all these discounts will go off automatically in your cart. Now, that is amazing savings. Now, guess what? There's more. So there's 3 days or so left. If you order over $40, you get $3.99 off, and the code for that is BGC 3.99. Now, all this info will be in my description box. It's also on their website. All the products I'm going to show you. It is also, I'm going to leave links for it. And then, did I miss something? Let's think. Oh, no, the shipping is quick, but for when you order under new style, customer service is great, products is great. What more do you want? So let's do this. Now, you guys know how much I love these ladies, right? Isn't she a beauty? Well, I think she is. She's pretty magnificent. What count is it? Oh, okay. I don't even remember, you know. Alright, so let's have a go at this. I got my little test tube, 5 needles, thimble, and a needle threader. Then the pattern is on my favorite shiny foam. You guys know I love that as well. Because for durability, don't get it wet in front. You're not gonna like it because everything's gonna be gone. So it's 14 count, 40 by 50 centimeters. She's 187 stitches by 242. She's got 40 colors. Now, the instruction leaflet's very, very small. You're gonna have to take glasses if you want to read that. But by this time, you know what's on there. But I think everything is good here. Very, very nice. And remember, she is 14 counts. All right, I'm packing away as I go. It makes the work less when I'm done, right? Ooh, what am I doing? Not much, I assume. All right. So let's see her. So it's 14 count Ada, very nice Ada. She's not too big. 40 by 50 is actually small. She's serged all the way around for our convenience. So 187 stitches by 242, 40 colors. And I want to see Yeah, on the 14 count, we can see all those red symbols. Remember, Wakan has got that problem with the red, so I can't do the 16 count because the red symbols. Now, on 14 count, you can see them, but not on 16. 16 is a problem. So, here you go. Perfect. I love her. So let's look at the pretties. As you can see, they are on floss drops. And there's 40 of them. Let's have a look here. Okay, let's have a look. I just want to check something here on this side. I'm scared I missed something. I'm thinking of something. I don't know why. I don't want to miss anything. That won't be nice, right? I also don't think so. Right, I'm not missing anything. No, I'm not. I can't wait to show you the embroidery that they got in. Oh, I think it's 7 or 8. I don't know. Alright, so 40 colors. They are magnificent. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There you go. And I like them. They're very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so I love the product. Very, very nice. Now, while you look at that beautiful lady, I want to ask if it's the first time you're watching my videos. Please subscribe if you want to. By doing that, you help me out a lot. You motivate me to make more videos for you, and it's for free. Alright, you've been looking at her. I must still open her. Wait, that's far. Sorry about all the noise. And I think she will be pretty much the same. They're from the same series. Alright, so here's the pad. Whoa! Oh, there was a ho-ho. Oh my word. Alright, so she's on my favorite shiny foam. Please don't get it wet in front. It's not going to work out. You're going to be sad. It's not waterproof, guys. So there's 40 colors as well. 14 count, 40 by 50 centimeters. The itsy bitsy instruction leaflets printed there, but you don't really need that. And the pattern looks great. Looks great. I can see everything. There's 187 stitches by 242. Okay, so that one can go in there. I'm packing you away. Now, our little toolkit. 5 needles, needle threader, and a thimble. And the needles are in my little test tubes. I love those little things. They keep them so organized. I promise you, I adore them. Alright, so let's have a look at this steampunk lady. They're like steampunk warrior princesses. Alright, 14 count, beautiful, strong material. It is serged all the way around for our convenience, and all I see is red, and then I worry. But I'm going to have a look. 14 count, 40 by 50 centimeters, 187 by 242. So let's have a look. The only reason why I worry is because the 16 counts did let me down. But the 14 counts are fine. It's terrific. So 14 count, 40 by 50. I looked, I'm going to show you. 187 by 242. Now look here. I'll show you at the red. You can see what there is. Now if they do this on a 16 count, unfortunately you cannot see. So she's amazing. I think she's beautiful. I will stitch her. I absolutely adore her. So let's have a look at the pretties. Oh my stitchy soul. All the excitement about the beautiful stitches. Now as you can see, they are on floss drop and they're beautiful. It's all these natural colors, right? Natural, natural, natural. I just want to see if there is any light blue for that eyes. Yeah, there's blue for the eyes. Now we're good. All right. I just want to get them all hanging. This one's still stuck. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? I absolutely love them. They are really pretty. Amazing, right? Absolutely adore them. All right. So while I pack away, I just want to thank Biggestcraft. You guys rock. These things are nice. You always send me the nicest things. Thank you very, very much. Then I want to talk to you. Yes, you watching. Emma's probably watching from the pool. In the kitchen, on the couch, wherever you are. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for supporting me. You guys, it means the world to me, and that I really, really mean. So you have a lovely day. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.